So this is a garage remodel project that I worked on here about a year ago. I just put all these pictures together to show the process, where I had to install the drainage, electrical, hot and cold water, 220 power, 110 power, and then painted the walls, installed a drop ceiling, stuccoed one of the walls. That's part of the house. Put an epoxy floor down on the garage floor. It's a pretty lengthy project, but at the end of the day, it turned out to be pretty nice. I was very satisfied. I wanted to move the laundry room from inside the house to the garage and turn the laundry room into a walk-in closet, which is another project in itself. But this one turned out really nice. It's a lot of work, really tedious, and I kind of set it up like a man cave kind of thing with some beer signs, and it's insulated now and much better than what it used to be. It was just a cold closet. It was all metal structure, unfinished, and now it's a livable living space, I guess you could say. It's all finished and turned out really nice again. Hit me up with some comments, suggestions, questions, whatever you have. I'll be more than glad to answer. And then subscribe to my channel. Give me some likes. I'm just trying to post some projects, home projects out there on YouTube and wherever else. So there we go. All right, enjoy and talk to you soon.